Aha, I love very much your flower. By Soros, you also live in Australia. Yes, I do. Ayan guys, sa nakapin. Mega love shout out sa nakapin. 175 guys sa nakapin. Okay, let's go tayo guys. We have to go another one. Ayan, Docs 85, just stay in my live stream. I give you another banana, but I have to pin first right now by Soros Hill from India. Ayan, from India tayo guys kay by Soros. Mega love shout out. Ayan, India, mega love shout out. I make your channel 200 because right now your banana is 190. So I give you 10 more to make it 200 by Soros. Welcome to my channel. Ayan, mega love shout out guys sa nakapin tayo guys. Really, I love flowers. Especially the flowers that very striking colors. Very nice. Ayan, banana for you on the way for you by Soros. I make your house 20 bucks. Thank you, Rose. Mega love shout out. See you, Imagine. My name is Rose. And you have also your name is by Sorosi. Oh, one word is extra to make it Rose. By Soros, you have to say, you have to name also by Soros, not by Sorosi. Ayan, Sebastian Rose for dance up. Thank you so much, Sebastian. Sebastian, be patient. Obrigado. Mega love shout out, guys, because I'm connecting all of you. And I giving you all banana, my dear. Chatters dyan. Shout out everyone, my friends. Thank you for coming. Ayan, by Soros, mega love shout out 195 right now. So I give you 200. Mega love shout out. Bonggang shout out sa inyo dyan. 10 million sa ating bahay. Wow. Ayan, maraming salamat guys sa nakapin. Ayan, Joke 85. Mega love shout out. Drop your link, Joke 85 from Vietnam. Where are you? Don't leave me alone here, Joe, from Vietnam, because your house is still busy. You need my help. Mega love shout out. So, imagine by Soros, your flower is here. I like to dig your flowers. Oh, tingnan mo guys, how beautiful is the flowers, guys. So, for the next round, Libby Mendoza, Dan Pin, connect, palablamin nyo guys si Libby Mendoza. Ayan, for the next round, guys, maybe you can see I take another channel that my content all flowers. So, sorry for that by Soros because I want to copy your content. Ayan, by Soros, na 196, I make you 100. And then, I will pin next kay, sino bang ipin natin sa sunod? Si Sebastian, yes, all flowers. Yes. Now you give me an idea to open another channel to get a content of flowers. Aha. 197 sa nakapin. Joke 85, where are you, Joke 85? Drop your link. Ayan, next tayo na ito guys ha. Gawin natin 200 banana right now guys. Kay By Sorosi from India. Please connect 198. My gut running goes guys. I got headache, I got the flu for 2 days. So I'm very sorry. My voice is not really good like tractor voices. Palablab po natin guys sa nakapin. Ayan, 199 guys sa nakapin. Wow, bongga. Ayan, sinong inits natin dyan? Sebastian, drop your link. Please drop your link, Sebastian. Guys, kunik kayo guys kay Libby Mendoza, guys. Ayan, very supportive po yan si Libby Mendoza, guys. Please connect. Connect kayo dyan kay By Soros from India. Ayan, dikitan tayo dyan, guys. Connect. Please connect. Please support each others. Congratulations, By Soros Hill. Your banana is already growing. It's already 200. Thank you so much for coming, By Soros. Ayan, next tayo guys, next. By Soros, don't go away. Time to time, I give you banana. Ayan, Sebastian tayo guys. Sebastian Cristobal from Brazil. Ayan, padikit ninyo dyan guys. Sebastian from Brazil. Maraming salamat sa inyo dyan. Thank you so much for coming everyone.